Aloha guys, Scuba Chris here. You know, my last TEMU order, I got a couple packs of these reel stands. Now, these reel stands are not the really nice ones that are going for around $20, $21 on other sites. This one here is a couple dollars, a little over $2. Right? The good ones to talk about is Gomexus. Gomexus is the one where this part here will bend down, easy for storage in your pocket, for putting it back in your bag, tackle box. These are just set. So for $250, it has its place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to attach this really easy. You got this one here. Besides with the stand, came with 2 O-rings. You only need one, but it's giving extras into little washers. So here in Hawaii, we have a fish that we call a kuli, which is a mackerel scad. So we use small reels to target them with. So this here is my Epixer, which is very good for this type of application. You need reels that are smaller for that, and this has, I think, I believe this is 5 or 6 pound mono on it. In fact, a lot of my small stuff was given to me by my friend Jeff. Jeff used to be the manager of Dawn Coffee Company, which is Shimano, and after that he got associated with Okuma, and now he's with Penn. But he gave me a bunch of these reels. I got a lot of reels that for smaller application, so I figure all brand new, never used. I got a bunch of stuff like this. I just got to start using it, right? So how do I put this, match it up with this? Now there's a reason why the people here in Hawaii understand. When you go for a kuli, halalu, which is halalu is the younger version of kuli, and we get it mostly at night. They come up to the shoreline. So we need smaller gear, and we need to get our lines out as fast as we can, as far as we can, but with lighter gear. So we're off lava rocks, lava flows, reef platforms, and a lot of times when the fish comes in, we put our rigs down like this, and it just gets all mauled up from the rocks and everything. But if you had to stand on it and put it down, it won't get mauled up. So I'm going to first take off the cap. Okay, it comes with 2 washers, so and 2 O-rings. So we're going to slip on 1 O-ring. Use my pen. Let's see now if I can get this on the first try. Nope. Try second try. Yep. Got it on the second try. Put the washer on it. Now you gotta remember, this goes to here into the handle. So if your handle's not on, there's nothing for it to screw into. Make sure the handle's on. And I always screw it from the back here. Reason why I screwed from the back is because if you do it from here, you might actually over tighten it. Another thing what you should do is put some lube on the O-ring, but I'm just letting you know that it's better to put lube on it, or you've got silicone spray, just spray it on. So there you go. See how easy that was? That's how you put this on. And these come in different colors, but I found that if you get the chrome silver color, it's going to match with just about everything, right? So, and when you put it down, let's dip this down a little bit. Okay, now when you put this on the ground, without this here, you put it down, it's going to scratch, scratch, scratch on the rocks. But look, see, look at that. It's going to protect the body from getting scratched. This is what they call a reel stand. So I just wanted to show you really fast how to put this together. And this one here is made by Houghton, H-A-U-T, Houghton, T-O-N. And it's not bad for a couple bucks. You get your you got two of these washers, two O-rings. So it comes with everything you're gonna need, and this part here. Now you're gonna want this part over time to get all mauled up, not your reel. And what's nice about this, see that hole right there? Look, there, see that? So when you're out there casting, you can put your hook dash lure through that to store it so it doesn't get into the way, you know. So it's actually a very well thought out, simple device, and again, like I said, very easy to take off. There you go, and see, look, you had the washer just hanging off of it. So that's my report.